So in the previous videos, we learned about the concatenate function or the concat function, as well as the left function. Let's see differences between these two, as well as I will introduce you to another function that is useful. So the left function here, let's execute this first. We see that the output of the year is in a standard format, so it's showing as 2005, and the month is showing as 2 digits. However, if you look at the concatenate function, you'll see that the month is represented by a single digit here. Although it's the same thing, it's the same month here, but it's represented by a single digit as opposed to 2 digits for the left function. So that's important to remember. Now, so that's regarding the formatting of the period or the time function here. So depending on what kind of format you want, you can either use the concatenate function or the left function. Now, how about formatting this particular column here, the payments column? Say you want to include a 1000 separator here, as well as round the decimals off to 1 or 2 or 3 depending on your business requirements. How do we go about doing that? So there is a function for doing that. There's a function called as the format function. So let's first see what this does. So I'll use the format function on the amount on the payments column and run this. So what this function does is basically adds a 1000 separator in your payments column, as well as it helps you specify the number of decimals that you want in your output. So I've specified that I want 1 decimal in my output, so it shows up here as 1 decimal. Format here means that I'm not only specifying the number of decimals that I want, but I'm also introducing the 1000 separator over here. So if it's showing up as a million, it'll give you a 1000 separator after each of the 3 digits. So if you have a million, so if you have payments in million, it will give you a 1000 separator after every 3 digits. So that's the use of the format function.